Welcome to our comprehensive review of the best hand saws available on the market today. Are you a DIY enthusiast looking for the perfect saw to add to your toolkit? Or perhaps you're a professional carpenter seeking a reliable and efficient hand saw for your projects? In this video, we'll be diving deep into the top 7 hand saws, evaluating their features, performance, and overall value. So, let's get started and find out which hand saw is the best fit for your needs. 7. Irwin Tools 213,101 12-inch pole saw. Starting off our list at number 7 is the Irwin Tools 213,101 12-inch pole saw. This versatile saw is designed for general carpentry tasks, making it a great addition to any toolkit. The Irwin 213,101 features a flexible blade that is ideal for making flush cuts, cross cuts, and ripping. Its 12-inch blade length provides a good balance between precision and cutting capacity. One of the standout features of the Irwin 213,101 is its ProTouch grip handle, which adds comfort and control during use. The handle is made from a 2-polymer material that provides a secure and ergonomic grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended cutting sessions. The saw's blade is designed to cut on the pole stroke, which allows for greater control and accuracy. The Irwin 213,101 is particularly well suited for exterior trim work, such as cutting the overhang of gable soffits. Its flexible blade makes it easy to make precise cuts in tight spaces, and the saw's overall design ensures smooth and efficient cutting. The blade's teeth are specially shaped to provide fast and clean cuts, making it a reliable tool for a variety of carpentry tasks. Users have praised the Irwin 213,101 for its versatility and ease of use. The saw's flexible blade and comfortable handle make it a great option for both professional carpenters and DIY enthusiasts. However, some users have noted that the blade may require frequent sharpening to maintain its cutting performance, so it's important to keep this in mind when choosing this saw. 6. Klein Tools 31,737 5.2-inch drywall saw. This folding jab saw is designed for making penetration cuts and hole making in drywall, making it an essential tool for electricians, plumbers, and other tradespeople. The Klein 31,737 features a durable carbon steel blade with triple ground teeth, providing fast and efficient cutting. One of the key features of the Klein 31,737 is its folding design, which allows the blade to fold into the handle for safe storage and easy portability. The saw's blade locks securely at both 180 and 125 degrees, providing flexibility for different cutting angles and applications. The handle also includes a tether hole, allowing you to secure the saw to your tool belt or bag. The Klein 31,737 is designed with user convenience in mind. Its compact size and folding design make it easy to carry and store, while the blade's triple ground teeth ensure fast and smooth cutting through drywall. The saw's handle is made from a durable plastic material that provides a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during use. Users have praised the Klein 31,737 for its portability and cutting performance. The saw's folding design and sharp blade make it a great option for tradespeople who need a reliable tool for making penetration cuts in drywall. However, some users have noted that the saw's blade may be prone to bending if used on harder materials, so it's important to use it as intended. 5. Irwin Tools 2,014,400 ProTouch coping saw. This coping saw is designed for making intricate cuts in wood, plastic, and metal, making it a versatile tool for a variety of projects. The Irwin 2,014,400 features a 6.5-inch blade with fine teeth, providing precise and clean cuts. One of the standout features of the Irwin 2,014,400 is its ProTouch handle, which provides a comfortable and ergonomic grip. The handle is designed to reduce hand fatigue during extended use, making it easier to make precise cuts. The saw's blade can be easily adjusted and tensioned, allowing you to customize the cutting angle and pressure for different materials. The Irwin 2014400 is particularly well suited for detailed woodworking tasks, such as cutting moldings, trim, and intricate shapes. Its fine-toothed blade ensures smooth and accurate cuts, while the saw's lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver. The saw also includes a blade storage compartment in the handle, allowing you to keep spare blades on hand for quick replacements. Users have praised the Irwin 2014400 for its precision and ease of use. The saw's comfortable handle and adjustable blade make it a great option for detailed cutting tasks. However, some users have noted that the saw's blade may require frequent tensioning to maintain its cutting performance, so it's important to keep this in mind when choosing this saw. 4. Hautmec 11 TPI Pro Hand Saw. Taking the 4th spot on our list is the Hautmec 11 TPI Pro Hand Saw. This professional hand saw is designed for making fine cuts in wood, laminate, and plastic, making it a versatile tool for a variety of projects. The Hautmec Pro Hand Saw features an 11 TPI blade with triple ground teeth, providing fast and efficient cutting. One of the key features of the Hautmec Pro Hand Saw is its comfortable handle. The handle is ergonomically designed with a soft rubber anti-slip grip, providing excellent comfort and control during use. The saw's blade is made from high-quality steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. The Hautmec Pro Hand Saw is particularly well suited for woodworking tasks, such as cutting lumber, plywood, and trim. Its fine-toothed blade ensures smooth and clean cuts, while the saw's lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver. The saw also includes a cutout for hanging, allowing you to store it conveniently in your workshop. Users have praised the Hautmec Pro Hand Saw for its cutting performance and comfort. The saw's sharp blade and comfortable handle make it a great option for both professional carpenters and DIY enthusiasts. However, some users have noted that the saw's blade may require frequent sharpening to maintain its cutting performance, so it's important to keep this in mind when choosing this saw. 3. Silky Professional F180 180mm Folding Saw. This folding saw is designed for pruning and trimming tasks, making it an essential tool for gardeners and arborists. The Silky F180 features a 7-inch blade with large teeth, providing fast and efficient cutting through branches and small trees. One of the standout features of the Silky F180 is its folding design, which allows the blade to fold into the handle for safe storage and easy portability. The saw's blade locks securely in 2 positions, allowing for flush cuts and angled cuts. The handle is made from fiberglass reinforced plastic, providing a comfortable and durable grip. The Silky F180 is particularly well suited for pruning tasks, such as trimming fruit trees and shrubs. Its large-toothed blade ensures smooth and clean cuts, while the saw's lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver. The blade is made from chrome-plated steel with electrical induction hardened teeth, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Users have praised the Silky F180 for its cutting performance and portability. The saw's sharp blade and folding design make it a great option for gardeners and arborists. However, some users have noted that the saw's blade may require frequent cleaning to maintain its cutting performance, so it's important to keep this in mind when choosing this saw. 2. Corona Razor Tooth Folding Saw. This folding saw is designed for pruning and trimming tasks, making it an essential tool for gardeners and arborists. The Corona Razor Tooth features a 7-inch curved blade with razor-sharp teeth, providing fast and efficient cutting through branches and small trees. One of the key features of the Corona Razor Tooth is its folding design, which allows the blade to fold into the handle for safe storage and easy portability. The saw's blade is made from high-carbon steel with a chrome finish, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. The handle is ergonomically designed with a comfortable grip, providing excellent control during use. The Corona razor tooth is particularly well suited for pruning tasks, such as trimming fruit trees and shrubs. Its curved blade ensures smooth and clean cuts, while the saw's lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver. The blade's teeth are impulse hardened, providing long-lasting sharpness and cutting efficiency. Users have praised the Corona razor tooth for its cutting performance and portability. The saw's sharp blade and folding design make it a great option for gardeners and arborists. However, some users have noted that the saw's blade may require frequent cleaning to maintain its cutting performance, so it's important to keep this in mind when choosing this saw. 1. SUIZAN double-edged Japanese Ryoba pole saw. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the SUIZAN double-edged Japanese Ryoba pole saw. This traditional Japanese pole saw is designed for woodworking tasks, making it an essential tool for carpenters and woodworkers. The SUIZAN Ryoba features a 9.5-inch double-edged blade with fine and coarse teeth, providing versatility for a variety of cutting tasks. One of the standout features of the SUIZAN Ryoba is its double-edged design, which allows you to use one side for a ripe cuts and the other side for cross cuts. The saw's blade is made from high-quality Japanese steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. The handle is made from traditional rattan, providing a comfortable and secure grip. The SUIZAN Ryoba is particularly well suited for detailed woodworking tasks, such as cutting joints, tenons, and dovetails. Its fine-toothed edge ensures smooth and precise cuts, while the coarse-toothed edge provides fast and efficient cutting through larger pieces of wood. The saw's lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver and control. Users have praised the SUIZAN Ryoba for its cutting performance and versatility. The saw's double-edged design and high-quality blade make it a great option for carpenters and woodworkers. However, some users have noted that the saw's handle may require occasional maintenance to maintain its grip, so it's important to keep this in mind when choosing this saw. And there you have it, our top 7 hand saws. Each of these tools offers unique features and benefits, making them suitable for different types of users and tasks. Whether you're a professional carpenter looking for a precise and reliable saw or a DIY enthusiast seeking a versatile and efficient tool, there's something on this list for everyone. We hope this review has helped you find the perfect hand saw for your needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tool tips. Happy sawing!